Hello, what is up, everybody? I'm just making this quick video on the midweek how the Forex is going on. I'm just doing this video just to make sure that the YouTube channel doesn't go without any video. I'm trying to keep myself updating every week at least once. This is the Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. You can see on my trading view. By the way, I'll mark the charts and so what you can see over here is that it's moving quite well. So overall you can see this is like a head and shoulder format. So this is where your neckline comes. This entire area is your neckline, and so basically this was your head. Three heads were formed and this is your neckline. If it breaks this neckline, it's going to fall down. So what I'm looking for is I've drawn and analyzed this chart already myself with all the technical tools ever possible, and I'm predicting that it's a good time to sell over here. So let me just quickly move this circle here. Because the price has already reached the spot of retracement, so it's a perfect time to sell over here. So let me zoom that a little bit for you. So you can see here perfect time to sell. It has the candles have rejected this zone and it has come down, so it's perfect time for a sell on the 61.8 retracement on the Fibonacci. The candles have retraced, and let me just check over here. If you want to check on the overall depth, the candles have retraced exactly on 70.5% retracement, and it has broken 61.8 retracement levels. So that's basically what it is, and I my fibs here for the on the areas of resistance, on the area of support. So this is Euro USD. Let us just quickly move on to AUD USD. So this is a weekly or midweek review. So here basically what I'll be showing is every currency pairs whatever possible for this week, just to make sure this YouTube channel doesn't go for waste. If you know what I mean. So last week I drew this these two trend lines, and I also predicted it will break this trend line, and it did predict, and no, it did break this trend line, and it went, and it is forming lower lows and lower highs since then. And with this you can draw a new trend line which has been formed over here. So what can we expect out of it? So basically you can expect for a sell entry on this point. Let me just quickly do this analysis, whatever. So I'll just remove these lines. These are not required right now. I'll also remove this one. So this is it. So you got this right. This is the new trend line. So there might be a retracement, there will be a retracement of course, but we'll have to wait for it. So let me draw them fibs. So here comes your 61.8, here comes your 61.8. So what we can expect? So here there is a old support. This is your 61.8. It's not overlapping on your support, so there might be a test on this 70.5 level on 61.8 level. So what we can hope from this market is a retracement from this point. So a retracement to this point and then a sell-off. So there might be two testing the 61.8 Fibonacci level and testing the resistance level, which was a good support on the previous levels. So these are the only two possibilities. So the market might go back and shoot down almost entire way. Let me just quickly check on the fibs once more. Definitely yes, that is the way to go. Or if you draw the fibs on the bodies of the candle, you might get some clarity, like these things are overlapping each other. So yeah, according to, I calculated this mathematically, and yes, it does follow. Based on this retracement, you can trade pretty much. And let me just see the expansions of these. Like, because this is a very good important analysis and includes lots of mathematics. Your entry retracement will be until, assuming it will be till 61.8. So this is where your projections are. So basically projections, yeah, so basically your projections are there, and your trade, you can put it on until 62 percentage, or until this support, or this might be your first take profit on below the 78.6 retracement level. So you can hope to enter over here below this resistance and below this area. So you might be entering over here somewhere until you can trade till here. So that is how this trade might carry on. And so much of maths is included. I calculated, it's all in my books, but here I'm just showing the graphical part. And what shall we do next? NZD USD. Okay, let's go for NZD USD. So yeah, I also predicted this breakout. This was on a uptrend. It broke because of this resistance. If you want, you can just come on to AnjanFX on TradingView and just check out this idea. It was a very cool idea. And so basically what I'm doing here is, let me just quickly mark this or this. Yeah, that's enough. I'll just delete this one because it's not needed anymore. We broke that area. Okay, so here what do we see? We see good three tests on this trend line, and we are hoping for a retracement over this level, and at least a retracement to this level, and then go back down. So we need to test this level. So this level is very crucial. Testing these levels, because it's there all the way back from here until here. Yeah, this is a good point of support. Yeah, this point. So market might be consolidating within this point, so the entry will be break, testing this resistance, and after breaks this level. So we'll be entering the market only if it retests this level and bounces back. So I'll just quickly mark it up quickly where, no, let me just calculate where to enter and why to enter. So before making this video, I did a little basic research and a small analysis, and I have taken down all the notes and calculations in my book. So I'm just showing the graphical representation on this video. You can see here, this is the 61.8 retracement, which almost kind of overlaps for this resistance level. So you know where to enter, right? So yeah, you have to enter somewhere around this area. So that will be where your entry will be. Let me put that in some color. Okay, so that will be where your entry will be mostly. And so what you'll be doing, that's your good support line. So what you'll be doing is, you'll be entering there and hoping that you enter there. What you'll be doing again is pretty much, it's all simple. I'll just put this on these levels. Okay, So you'll be entering your trades there, and basically what you're doing, you're testing the resistance, you're testing the um, all the previous values. The price is respecting everything. So basically you'll be looking on to target the 27%. 27%, that will be good one, and that will also be 27% on your Fibonacci, and on your expansion 1:1. So I am hoping I'm going a little bit advanced on this one, though I'm putting a lot of efforts on this technical analysis. So this will be your point B, this will be your point C, this will be your point D. This is a ABCD format on your Fibonacci, and this is exactly correct, and it is very precise, very precise. And trust me when I say it's precise, it is precise. And because I have done a lot of analysis earlier, and most of them were super precise, and this one is also very precise as I can see it. So what you can do over here is wait for the retracements to come in. So these are good ABCD format. So the market will come here, and then what, it will just bounce back. So there's a good amount of support down below here also. So these are good ABCD level, and advanced fundamental analysis done. So basically these three pairs, did I show three pairs? Yeah, I've shown three pairs in this video. So that's all for this video. I'll be trying to upload frequently so that this channel doesn't die. So basically that's it. I'll see. Let me just color this fib, it doesn't look that good. So yeah, basically that's it. Oh no. Okay, no problem. So basically that's it. Let me just finish this video off. I'll be making more and more videos. I'm trying to make more and more videos and be regular with my YouTube channel, because I don't want this channel to die. So stay subscribed if you're new to this channel. I'm getting very less views, but it doesn't matter. I just want to document all my things, what's happening on YouTube, because it's available anytime and any so whatever I'm doing. So currently today it's what day is it? I just forgot what day it is. Today is 2nd of March. My next video will be very soon. I'll try to put it next week, another weekly analysis. Until then, stay awesome, my friends.